Why have you become Ahmadis? Why have you left your family? Why have you left your old religion? What benefit did you get? If you have not become a better human being, if you have not become a better husband or a better wife or a better citizen, if you have not become a more peaceful person in your business, in your dealing with people, then what is the use of becoming an Ahmadi? Why should you lose your family and all your tribe and everything, and people laugh at you and joke at you and persecute you and they hate you, and then you don't get any benefit? If you have become an Ahmadi, there must be a change in you. You must have a relationship with God the Almighty. You must find out that have you become a better person? Each night you sleep, you should think for 2 minutes, have I become a better human being? Does God listen to my prayers? That is the criteria, these are the credentials which will show you whether you made a right choice or not.